application for fatty ester. So first, palm-based methyl ester, STCL for bus, lorries, tractors and many more. Second, synthetic lubricant because of high thermal, oxidation stability, low volatility. And third, pharmaceuticals such as anti-foaming agent, emulsifier, thickening agent in ointment. Okay, so that's all for uses and application for fatty ester.
C12 to C14 can be formed from coconut oil and palm kernel oil, while C16 to C18, palm oil, soybean, and tallow are the main sources. Oxidation products and impurities such as seed particles, dirt, and water. E. Transesterification process is done to produce fatty ester.
Okay.
Next, I will explain about the transesterification process. Transesterification is an equilibrium reaction and is shifted towards the desired ester by excess methanol or removal of glycerol in order to produce higher fatty alcohols. This is the derivatives of transesterification process, which is oil or fat reacted with alcohol to produce fatty ester and glycerin. Transesterification process is carried out continuously with the alkaline catalyst. Next, I am going to show you the derivatives of thermal splitting, which is known as the hydrolysis process. So this is the derivative, which is triglyceride reacted with water to produce glycerol and fatty ester. Thermal splitting is the most efficient and easy to operate process.
Today I'm going to show you the flowchart of fatty esters. Purification. So, from fatty acid methyl ester, we can produce the derivative, which is fatty acid alkanoamide by amidation process. We can also produce fatty alcohols by hydrogenation. From fatty alcohols, we can produce other derivatives as well. For ester, we can produce it by the process esterification. Fatty alcohol sulfates by the process sulfation. Fatty alcohol ethosylate by the process ethosylation. And alkyl chloride by process chlorination. From fatty acids, we can change it to fatty acid methyl ester by the process esterification. And we can produce other derivatives of fatty acids by all these four processes. For fatty amines, we use the process of amination. To produce soaps, we use the process neutralization. To produce fatty acid ethosylates, we use the process ethosylation. And lastly, to produce fatty acid esters, we use the process esterification. So from the splitting of oils and fats, we can produce glycerol. From the production of esterification of glycerol, we can produce tricetine and partial glycerides.